Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me. Welcome to Shine and Breathe, your special time to relax, breathe, and shine from the inside out. Come to a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down, closing your eyes, clearing your mind. Coming into this present moment. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose, taking deep, cleansing breaths. Feel your breath as nourishment to your body. Taking a scan of your body, being aware of tension or stress that you're holding. And send your breath to those areas to dissolve it out, lovingly releasing. You can send light with your breath and visualize that tension or stress just dissolving in the light. Feeling relaxed. Breathing in strength. Breathing out anything heavy. Breathe in light. And let it gently shine out of you. Let's say some words that help us feel strong inside. You can repeat them out loud or in your heart. Allow yourself to feel strong. Feel love, feel gratitude, and know that these affirmations are true for you right now. I am strong. I am brave. I can do hard things. My body is strong. My mind is powerful. I believe in myself. Challenges help me grow. I don't give up. I rise when I fall. I am proud of who I am. Feel these words filling up your body like warm sunshine from head to toe. Let your chest rise with courage. Let your heart glow with power. I am strong. I handle all my experiences with ease and with flow. I easily flow through life. Imagine a powerful light inside your chest, like a golden sun. This light is your strength. It shines even when life feels hard. See this light grow bigger. Brighter. Wider. Stronger. It wraps around your arms, your legs, your whole body. You are filled with light. You are full of strength. And when life gets tough, this light will remind you you can do it. Believe in your strength, in your power. Believe in yourself. Take some deep cleansing breaths. Continue to feel how strong you are. Know that you can handle anything that comes your way. Easily flowing. You are powerful. You are strong. You are full of light. Allow yourself to come back to this present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Keep shining your light. The world needs your strength. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.